Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Your phone must be eligible for Android 16 beta. Once done, back up everything, photos, app data, and settings so you can restore if needed. Then enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and enable OEM unlocking when the option appears. These let you sideload images or enroll. Make sure your battery is above 50% and you have a USB-C cable and a PC with fast drivers installed. This avoids interruptions during image flashing. You next enroll or obtain the Android 16 beta image, choose the official beta program when available, or download the exact factory or OTA package for your model. Once you have the files, install Google Platform Tools and verify a DB/fastboot detect your device. Then, with USB debugging enabled, run a DB reboot bootloader and use fastboot to flash partitions in order: boot, system, vendor, following instructions. After flashing, reboot and complete initial device setup. This installs the new runtime and migrations properly. You finish by completing system setup, update apps from the Play Store, verify permissions, and selectively restore your backup so old system files don't cause conflicts. Once updated, monitor battery life and app behavior for the first 24-48 hours to catch compatibility issues. If you encounter a boot loop or persistent crashes, try wiping cache and Dalvik/art caches first. If that fails, reflash the factory image or roll back using your backup. Remember, a careful restore minimizes data loss and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.